This is the life story of the furniture designer Sir Ambrose Heal, who learned the lesson early that there is value in the production of honest and simple furniture designs for the good citizens of the United Kingdom. Attending boarding school, where he excelled at sports, until the age of 13, when a rugby injury forced him to recover at the family summer retreat in Kent. His extended stay was vastly improved when his favorite cousin, Cecil Brewer, the future architect, joined him in Kent. Every afternoon after tutor lessons, Cecil taught Ambrose basic drawing lessons. Ambrose was taken to the West Midlands and began his apprenticeship with James Plunkett. Plunkett taught him the key principles of design at the drafting table. Ambrose also learned to cost out every project for all the cost centers. And when he completed his apprenticeship, he had a good sense of the furniture trade.
Good luck, boy.
To the family business Heal and Sons, to sell mattresses to the ladies of London. Ambrose's first project was to build a bed frame to better display these mattresses. Beginning in the 1890s, Ambrose took the carriage on a daily basis to Heals and Sons, located on Tottenham Court Road.
Good morning, Mr. Heal. Your crew is already in the basement.
Okay, shut off the flare. The boss is here. Guys, on our first day, I want to remind you of our objective for this shop.
Meanwhile, Ambrose awaited the arrival of his cousin Cecil Brewer, who invited him to join the Art Workers Guild, which was founded by 5 young architects. On the eve of the 20th century, Guild members convinced Ambrose to submit a bedroom suite to the 1900 Paris Exposition. Ambrose won a silver medal for his inlay wardrobe. The magazine Architectural Review said the furniture was a triumph of craftsmanship. Want to buy a wardrobe? They placed fancy veneer over cheap woods and relied on machines to create poorly executed carvings. Oh no! Oh. Ambrose believed that the key to higher quality was a simpler design from the arts and crafts movement. That Ambrose Heal began to seriously outline a marketing plan for Heal & Son. The first item that the management team debated was to pinpoint their corporate identity. They rejected the concept of adding a jewelry or fashion department, and now wanted to focus on the specialized home furnishing service. And when City Fathers opened the Tottenham Court Underground Station, the subway discharged thousands off near his store. The exterior was a 6-story stone building with shop windows that were set back within a colonnade, so displays could be admired at leisure, whatever the weather. The interior consisted of 6 stories, with beds on the ground floor. The living room furniture was on the first, nursery equipment and toys were on the second, with antiques on the third, and displays of complete rooms on the top floor. Ambrose's third initiative was hiring Herbert Morgan in 1905 and creating an advertising department to promote furniture and other products. The key message in all promotion was to project an image of quality products that offer a value of reasonable prices. In addition, the architect had reserved space on the top floor so Ambrose could display how a total room would look, or attract an audience into a store to see unique art. During a public event, the crowds would gather at the front door to see the work of any artist. They would go all the way up the spiral staircase to see his prints and designs. On their way down, most people did their shopping before they left the building.
Now this year's promotion effectiveness is added to our production efficiency, which is added to our simpler designs, and that all results in more customers and lower cost.